Welcome to G Traffic Hack. We are so excited to share this. This is a mind-boggling strategy that you've never seen anywhere before. I can guarantee this. We're talking about ways to get massive amounts of traffic on demand and get it in minutes. We're talking about ways to get traffic to anything that you want, whether it's affiliate products, your own products, other people's products, e-commerce. It doesn't matter what the product is. We can send hundreds of thousands of views to your product. And so get excited because you're about to learn something that isn't being taught anywhere. In fact, when James shared this with me, I was blown away because I'm like, wait a minute, I know all the different ways to make money online, and you're showing me something new that I've never seen before. So it's super, super exciting. I want you to just get in here and check it out because it is really, really going to blow your mind. How in literally minutes, in literally less than 5 minutes, you can have a digital property on Google, something you've never seen before. You don't even know what this is yet. And this digital property is going to bring you tons and tons of traffic. And the cool thing is it's stealthy too, meaning nobody even knows that you're marketing. Nobody even knows you're selling a product. It's mind-boggling, James. This is an incredible product.
Yeah, I mean, this checks all the boxes, and that's why everybody's going to love it because you can be from anywhere in the world. You don't have to spend any money. You can use the power of Google, which is the number one traffic source, to get literally hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views, and it only takes you a couple minutes to put it together. And you can do any niche, you can do anything that you want. And this is a way that we're ethically hacking Google, that Google loves you for this. Google is saying, we have this way that no one's doing right now that we're going to serve you up hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views, because it's helping us. It's helping Google. You're in our ecosystem. You're giving us what we want, and now we're going to give you what you want. And that is a ton of traffic. Now, this isn't YouTube. It's not all the methods that you're typically thinking of. This is a brand new way to look at this. Now, not only is the traffic coming in crazy ways, but you can monetize it. Dave used the keyword, which is stealth mode. People don't even realize that they're being sold to, which is so, so crazy. So you can be in here and have all this traffic. You're giving people what they want. You're giving value. Again, it only takes seconds to make this. All that traffic. You've probably never experienced that before. You've probably never experienced taking 2 or 3 minutes of your time and getting 800,000 views. Like that might not even resonate like that's even possible, but it is. And when you go through this super, super simple course and we show you step by step exactly what to do, you're going to be absolutely blown away. That's like, oh my gosh, all this time, this has been available to me, and I didn't even know this was possible. And even if I knew that this particular nuance or this strategy existed, I never looked at it from the marketing perspective. I never looked at it from a make money perspective. And when all this comes together, it's this beautiful, beautiful package. Hundreds of thousands of views, being anonymous, being stealthy, getting that money, and people loving you for it, and Google loving you for it. It's just absolutely perfect. So you need to pick up G Traffic Hack.
Yeah, it's amazing because what we're doing is we're in literally a few minutes, like less than 5 minutes. Let's put it that way. Less than 5 minutes, you're tapping into traffic. And by the way, this can be done by anybody in the world. It's free. It costs you nothing. Anyone can do this. It's so simple. A teenager or a grandma can do it. So be sure to check it out, pick it up, and you can thank us later.